Alright, we're working on the John Deere 6600, and I believe the solution to the problem was to bring the outside of the shaft up in a straight line with the piece I was trying to put it into. Also, I did make that tool to open it up with, and then I made this a bolt, but you know, I shaved off the threads so I could pound that in there, and that's the exact same size as the one that's in there now. That allowed me to get my bolt in place. There it is. And I went ahead and tightened it because I believe this is right where I want it to be, and besides of which, there's another piece that still has to go in that's going to pull on that to make it tighter. You can see it kind of working there if you pull on it. It's going to go in right there. But the big problem we were having was trying to get that bolt into place. And wanted to do it this way so I could get this exactly where I wanted it. Okay. And yes, I tapped it into place gently with a 2-pound sledge. That's how I got it to move in this direction and go in where I need it to be. That helped some. I believe that was a big impact. There's my sledge right there, 2-pound hammer. Just a 2-pound hammer, but you know what I'm saying. You can still use it with both hands. But once I started doing that, the first piece I put in there, I got that through the hole, like this one here, and that's a little less than 7/16, but bigger than 3/8. And once I had that in, it was close to the size. This is a 7/16 that I needed, of the bolt that I needed, so I made that piece. And once I got that, I had it. But this was the shining star, was using the old hydraulic jack, and I think must have had some carpenter come out and cut that 2x4 for me and install that correctly. Anyway, so this is John Rudy working on the combine with Rudy Racing, signing off.